Yo, miss out. This is tactical holding and swing takers. Tactical holding swing takers. Zcars and DAS. These are our store of value plus our currencies. These are real currencies and a store of value because they have a maximum supply. Monero don't have a maximum supply and it uses ring signatures. That's not very secure. I mean, that's not very private. Ring signatures, that can be tracked, over time with good technology. And with Zcars, it's zero knowledge proof. No doubt that it's more encrypted. How that can be tracked is beyond nowadays computers' knowledge. So Zcars is a true privacy coin, and DAS is better than